be a powerful ally in your anti-aging journey. How to use castor oil on your face. To reap the full benefits of castor oil for your skin, it's essential to apply it correctly. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any dirt, makeup, or impurities. A gentle cleanser or a natural option like honey can work wonders. After washing, pat your face dry with a soft towel, ensuring it's clean and ready to absorb the oil's nourishing properties. The best times to apply castor oil are in the evening or before bedtime. This allows the oil to work its magic overnight when your skin is in repair mode. Applying it at night also minimizes exposure to environmental factors hindering absorption. If you prefer a daytime application, consider using a small amount under your makeup for added hydration. For maximum effectiveness, you can combine castor oil with other natural ingredients. Mixing it with a few drops of essential oils, such as lavender or tea tree oil, can enhance its benefits. Lavender oil can promote relaxation and improve skin texture, while tea tree oil adds antibacterial properties, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. Additionally, blending castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil can create a lighter consistency, making it easier to apply and absorb. To apply, use your fingertips to massage the oil into your skin in circular motions gently. This helps with absorption and stimulates blood circulation, promoting a healthy glow. With these practical tips, you can effectively incorporate castor oil into your skincare routine for beautiful, youthful skin. Castor oil recipes for anti-aging. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine can be fun and effective, especially when creating DIY recipes. Let's explore some simple yet powerful recipes that harness the anti-aging benefits of castor oil. The first is a simple castor oil facial mask. To make this mask, combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 plain yogurt. Honey is a natural humectant that hydrates the skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates. Mix the ingredients until smooth, then apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This mask will leave your skin feeling soft, nourished, and rejuvenated. Next, consider creating a blend of castor oil with essential oils for added benefits. Mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil in a small glass bottle with 5 drops of lavender essential oil and 5 drops of frankincense essential oil. Lavender promotes relaxation and skin healing, while frankincense is known for its anti-aging properties. Shake the bottle gently to combine and apply a few drops to your face, massaging it in for a soothing experience. Lastly, let's whip up a nourishing castor oil serum. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil and a few drops of vitamin E oil in a small dropper bottle. Jojoba oil mimics the skin's natural oils, providing hydration without clogging pores, while vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. Shake well before each use and apply a few drops to your face, focusing on areas that need extra moisture. These DIY recipes will help you harness the power of castor oil for a youthful, glowing complexion. Precautions and considerations. While castor oil offers numerous benefits for anti-aging and skincare, it's essential to approach its use cautiously. Conducting a patch test before applying castor oil to your face is highly advisable. To do this, apply a small amount of the oil to a discrete area of your skin, such as the inside of your wrist or behind your ear. Wait for 24 hours to see if any irritation or allergic reaction occurs. This simple step can help you determine if your skin is sensitive to castor oil before using it more broadly on your face. It's essential to know that some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin sensitivities when using castor oil. Symptoms can include redness, itching, or a burning sensation. If you notice any of these signs after your patch test, it's best to discontinue use immediately. Always listen to your skin. If something doesn't feel right, it's better to err on caution. Consulting with a dermatologist is wise for those with pre-existing skin conditions or concerns. A skincare professional can provide personalized advice tailored to your skin type and needs. They can help determine if castor oil suits you and suggest alternative products or treatments. By taking these precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. Remember, healthy skincare is about understanding your skin and making informed choices. Castor oil emerges as a powerful natural solution for those seeking to combat the signs of aging. With its rich composition, including high levels of ricinoleic acid and essential fatty acids, castor oil hydrates and nourishes the skin, promoting elasticity and a youthful appearance. Its ability to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and its antioxidant properties that combat free radicals make it an excellent addition to any skincare routine. We encourage you to incorporate castor oil into your daily regimen through simple applications, DIY recipes or blends with other natural ingredients. By doing so, you can harness its benefits and enjoy healthier, more radiant skin. Remember to start with a patch test to ensure compatibility with your skin type, and consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns.